Welcome to Switzerland. This is Fritz Gyger AG. Operating out of Thun, Guat, they develop, manufacture and distribute high-quality products based on hard material components like sapphire, ruby and diamond. A vast pool of expertise and know-how is concentrated in one spot, one building. The top floor is dedicated to everything from engineering, administration, support and innovation. Below is the precision assembly facilities, quality control and most crucially the in-house manufacturing centre. Having all this under one roof ensures utmost communication and collaboration between all the departments, which is what enabled them to become one of the world's leading manufacturers of high-precision microvalves and the digital, fully automated liquid handler, Certus Flex, both of which have established themselves as some of the best in their respective fields. But how do they do that? What is required for them to stay ahead of the competition? Well, let's have a look. First off, they have an extensive raw material storage, enabling them to manufacture no matter what the circumstances. The intricate nature of their components requires the utmost attention to detail in the manufacturing process, requiring specialised expertise to achieve the desired precision. In fact, this is one of the reasons why they proudly produce well over 90% of all their components in-house. When the part is finished, it undergoes a rigorous quality control inspection to confirm their compliance with the high quality and precision criteria. The components get handed over to the assembly personnel who put them together with utmost precision and finesse. Every single finished valve then goes through a functional quality test where they are tested for their current levels, valve travel, tightness and jet quality. After that, the valve is ready to be packaged, labelled and sorted. And with that, the valve gets added to the vast storage system spanning the whole building, ready to be ordered and shipped out to wherever their customers might be located all over the world.